MapFlow fully manages the color spaces of your textures. Whether you are working in batch processing or on a single object, you can select the channels and adjust their color spaces individually. You can choose exactly which color space is applied to each channel. Custom color spaces you have loaded are also supported. When you build your shader, in single or batch mode, MapFlow automatically applies all defined color spaces. You can also enable or disable alpha luminance individually, or across multiple shaders. On the color channel, you can also enable alpha opacity. For example, if you use a PNG file with an alpha channel and want transparent areas, MapFlow automatically applies the opacity. MapFlow supports all standard texture formats: EXR, PNG, TIFF, and JPEG. There are no format limitations. You can freely manage color spaces, alpha luminance, and alpha opacity. Then, when creating your shader, in batch or single mode, all these options are automatically integrated into your Arnold shader.